Oh, this icing is thick. Jesus Christ. Hello. How is everyone doing today? So I did something very exciting and I bought a pizza. I've never bought a pizza before. I mean, I've bought like slices of pizza, but I've never like gone to a pizza place and like bought a whole pizza. And I live by myself, so I'm the only person eating it. So this is my pizza. Yay! Yay! I ordered it from Domino's and I don't think I've ever had Domino's ever. I'm gonna see what's up. So I got a pepperoni pizza, wings, and like cinnamon bullshit. It was like $26 altogether. Okay, I think these are wings. This box is like really adorable though. Fuck, can you see the box? Cute. Okay, totally not chicken. This is like the cinnamon stuff. Fuck, you can't even see it. Okay, this is the cinnamon bullshit. It only comes with one icing. It looks fine. It's the smell that's bothering me. I don't know if I'm the problem or not, but when I was driving, the smell of this food was like nauseating. And it's the cinnamon stuff it makes me feel sick. And it cost me like $7. The scent of it makes me feel sick. Okay, but these are the wings. I thought this was the cinnamon stuff. These are the wings. Kind of underwhelming. I'm not super into spicy stuff, so I just got like regular. Maybe that was a mistake. Maybe I should have gotten like a buffalo or something. Looks kind of underwhelming. And then I have my fucking pizza. I actually think it looks kind of pretty with the black box. Let's see. I mean, I think it looks about how I'd expect. It looks kind of burnt a little, but other than like the black crispiness that I see, it might be okay. Did you enjoy your pizza? Okay, I guess I'll try pizza first. I don't know if I'm crazy, but this tastes kind of like sweet to me. A little bit. Like the dough is like sweet. I also feel like there's not enough pepperonis on it. It's okay. It's pizza. I mean, I'll eat it. Okay, I'll try a piece of chicken. These are actually crispy though, they're not like soggy. Okay, this flavor kind of confused me. It tastes kind of like charred. I probably should have got boneless. I don't even really like chicken that much. Let me try it with the ranch and see if that's better. Can you believe it costs money for like more like fucking sauce? Like if I want to, damn it, I can't even open it. Like if I want 2 ranches, it costs us like extra. You can only have 1. Dip in ranch. Why is this container so small? Okay, dip in ranch. Dip in mouth. It's definitely better with ranch, but it just that like charred flavor really throws me off. I'm gonna eat the cinnamon things. I thought that Domino's had those like cinnamon sticks that you like dip in icing, but apparently they don't sell that. This was like the closest, and I feel like this icing container isn't as big as I want it to be. This is the first one. Oh, this icing is thick. Jesus Christ. I was hoping this would kind of taste like a pretzel, but it kind of doesn't. It just tastes like bread with like sugar on it. The outside part of the bread is like kind of hard. These just don't have that much flavor. Like the dough doesn't have much flavor. Probably because they use the same dough for like garlic and stuff, like garlic knots. So they want a dough that's like not as flavorful so they can like add their own stuff to it. But even with the cinnamon and icing, it still feels kind of like it's not that flavorful. Okay, I don't think anyone gives a fuck to like watch me eat. But this was my fun experience buying a pizza. To honor me, you should also buy a pizza. I don't care where from, but I hope you enjoy it. I think that's it, so bye. So if you want to go buy a pizza for yourself only, have a blast. I wanted to try one of the pastas, but I was like, I don't want it to taste like shit, so I didn't buy it. But maybe next time I'll buy another pizza and I'll buy pasta. Okay, that's it. Okay, bye for real.